up, you guys? We are creek fishing today. There's Joel. He's already started fishing. We sort of missed low tide, unfortunately.
We very mistimed it.
Yeah, we mistimed it. We got some big mullet shrimp. I thought you had a fish. We got some, not big mullet, but we got some mullet shrimp, mud minnows. We got 3 big mud minnows. So let's go catch a fish. Fish on. It's a flounder, I think. Oh, it's a trout. Oh yeah, use the net, boy! Use the net for a little trout. Hey! Hey!
I had to come in clutch.
Hey!
I had to come in.
Hey! Use the net for the little... Okay, you got stuck. Yo, first blood! Joel, how long we been out here for?
Like, too much to not catch a single fish except a tiny little baby trout. Should I switch?
Yeah, bottom rig.
Can you tie it on me?
First blood of the day. Let's...
With the net.
Here. Hey!
Wait.
Did he just go through?
Wait.
Is there a hole? There's no hole. He just went through the net.
He was small though.
He was small.
These are for reds.
First blood of the day. What do you guys say?
It's crazy.
Finally.
So stupid.
You want to go bottom rig?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Be good. Be good. Get him in the net. Let's go! Woo! Got the skunk, boys! I don't care how big he is.
Yeah, want to put him on my yak? Yeah, put him on my yak. Come on, come on.
I got him right here. Get in the mother... Oh my god, he ate that bull mud minnow, dude.
There's only one more left.
Joel, you have the honors. Barely freaking hooked.
Without the net, he's gone. Ready? Go.
Finally got the skunk out. Oh my god, it feels amazing. Nice little red. Hopefully catch another one. Yeah, finally. Nice little red. All right, Joel, give me a picture. You're ready. You're ready. All right, guys, it's got this another beautiful red. It's Joel's turn. I told him next time if I catch a red, he'll have the opportunity to reel it in. All right, here goes Jimmy. Here goes Jimmy. Where are you going, bud? Next time it's your turn. What did you have? Are you kidding me? Joel caught a crab.
I took his arm off.
Dude, he took his arm off. What?
That's what he gets.
Yeah, that's what he gets. I hope he doesn't pinch you.
How is he gonna do that? Go. Take your arm back.
What do you guys say after that?
My minnow's dead. I'm calling child abuse.
Fish, finally. Finally. Is it a good one? It's big?
No. Just get the net. Just get the net.
I got the net. I got the net. I got the net. We're...
Oh, trout.
It's a trout. Here. Here.
Please get in. I just want to put that.
That's a decent trout. Bigger than mine.
Yeah,
Yeah, here, get some slack. Or you're good. You got him? Oh, he's barely hooked. Joel finally caught a freaking trout. Joel, you finally caught a fish.
Yeah, I know. Still kind of depressing. It wasn't a red.
I know, but hey, you caught a trout. On a big mud minnow. Look how big this thing is.
I want to see if these things work. I know it's easy. I can just get on my hands.
Okay, hey. Okay, yep.
I want to see if this thing.
Good job, buddy.
Let me get out of it. No, do the other one. Oh, yeah, you filming?
Yeah.
Alright, so I just caught this nice little trout. Finally. Like, it took long enough. He's not that big. Probably like 14. 13?
Yeah, 13. 13, 14.
12, 13.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Gator, little gator. Not big.
Yeah. Whatever. Let me get some pictures of it, and then we'll get the release. All right, let's get the release on the tiny.
Okay, there he goes.
Good job.